Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, you guys? So I feel like a badass pineapple right now. Okay, we're going to be talking about my hair because you ever just be feeling yourself? Yeah, that's me right now. Okay, so I decided that I wanted to do a sleek top knot. I always throw wigs on, but sometimes I just don't want to braid my hair down. Like, sometimes I need to not do that and just throw it up, make it look cute. So I decided to go ahead and do a cute little sleek top knot. It's very easy, you guys. This is like a $10 style, by the way. Hello. So how could you, like, how? Literally how? Alright, if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new to my channel is all about being a baddie of all trades. So we're talking about hair, fashion, makeup, nails, all of that good. And so if that's something that you are interested in, make sure you consider subscribing to this channel. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications every time I upload a video. You'll get a notification. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's get into the sleek tutorial. Period.
Hey guys, so I'm starting with freshly washed hair. It's still a little bit damp, but it's perfect to work with. I find that my hair, or 4C hair in general, is better to work with when damp. This is my Coconut Shine, like, rejuvenizing dry oil. I always put this in my hair when I'm about to put gel and all that stuff in it, because my hair, it looks I have like this gray overcast all the time. And then this is my Mielle leave-in conditioner. So after rubbing that all through my hair, I'm just going to put my hair up in like this weird ugly ponytail, as you can see. And this is just to help me put it up nice and sleek. So the oil I put on was some growth oil from Melanin Mixx. And then I'm going in with my favorite Eco Styler gel. This is the Flaxseed and Castor oil one. So I'm just going in with that, and I'm just putting that all around my hair. And then I'm taking my hard brush and I'm just brushing all of my hair up. Now that's why I put that hair in that ponytail like that, because I found that this method is the easiest when you're trying to pull your hair up into a sleek knot, top knot, sleek bun, or anything like that. Child, I'm telling you, this is the easiest way to do it. Like, I just love easy. So I'm brushing everything up, as you can see. You just want to brush it up and then pull really tight. Put gel wherever you feel like you need it, wherever you feel like you may need more of it. Yeah. So I'm just going to put my new scrunchie, which is my also tighter scrunchie, around the base of my hair where the ponytail should be or the knot should be. I'm just going to safely rip out, yeah, right, that other elastic, and then I'm just making sure everything is nice and smooth the way I want it. And I'm just brushing everything up. I'm grabbing my freeze spray. I'm just going to put a little bit of that, not too much. It looked like a lot, but it wasn't that much. And I'm just going to brush that up into my hair. This just helps my hair mold up. I get a lot of frizzies. My hair is super frizzy, so yeah. So I'm grabbing my headscarf and I'm just going to put it around my head right now, just for a few seconds, because it's going to just come right off to put the bun on, but I did that just to keep it in place and molding it. So I am currently putting that my other elastic on the end of this hair. This is the Marley Janet crochet hair, and I thought that this hair would look the best with my hair texture. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of like teasing it out, flexing it out, and that is going to give the illusion of like stretched out 4C hair, and you know, it's going to give you that illusion that that's what's happening. So you're just going to comb through it, but I still want to have the texture in the hair as well, because I want my bun to look like my hair up in a bun. You can still see like the ridges or ripples or waves or whatever the hell we want to call it. So I just put it on my hair like a regular ponytail holder, and I'm just making sure I split it completely in half, which is where the half is where the elastic is, or where you can see the elastic. And I'm just going to start wrapping one of those sections around my actual hair. So that's what I did there, and I'm just going to keep wrapping it until it like kind of like tucks under. So I'm just trying to find out how to wrap it on this side now. So once I do that, I'm going to pull tight, especially for this one. You want to pull tight to give you that top knot look. I don't want it to look just like a bun. I could have just did a bun. I wanted it to look like a top knot. See, just like that. I want it to be high, pineapple-esque realness, okay? So now I'm grabbing my edge booster stop from Style the Edge Control. Child, the fuck. And I'm going to put that on the back and of course on my edges. I always put this on the back because I have parts of my hair in the back, my beady beads that are just trifling, okay? And I want them to be slick up, okay? Like, cause who the hell? So now I'm brushing down my baby hairs, half grown, the adults, you know, the teenage hairs. Nah, my baby hairs is really baby hairs. And I'm just gonna do like a cute little pattern. I don't know. I find doing edges super satisfying. I don't know. Watching is super satisfying. So I hope this is satisfying for you because for me it's cool. And I was like, oh, let me do another little curly, and I was like, no, that's ugly. So yeah, just doing my little edges, my simple edge routine. This is normally what I do when I do my edges. I do have a widow's peak, so I always curl it down because I think it's cute. That's the only way I do like my widow's peak, because other than that, I'd be like, she's trifling. She's trifling. You guys, if you hear snoring in the background, Bay is not deep out, okay? And I'm trying to speak loudly over him, but still respect the fact that he's asleep, but I have to do this voiceover. Times is hard. So now I'm putting on my scarf, my head scarf. And I'm just going to hold it really tight. And be careful when you do this part, especially if you're going to do your makeup after you do your hair, because I did it so tight and I had ended up with a line of like demarcation or marcation. I remember the little mark. So I did my makeup, filmed another video. If you guys didn't see my last video, it was about how to gain confidence. So go watch that video because I think it was a really great video. Like, I'm proud of that video because I think it's really important. So that is it, you guys. I tried to cover up that demarcation with some whatever. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love how this came out. I'm going to be like this for a week, child. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.